What? What's all that yelling? You just can't wait for me to die, can you?
They're selling chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah!
What? What are they selling?
Chocolate!
What?
Chocolate!
I can't hear you!
They're selling chocolate!
They're selling chocolate?
Yeah!
Chocolate. I remember when they first invented chocolate. Sweet, sweet chocolate. I always hated it.
When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost, oh, I will take your hand and we'll rise up from the dust. Oh, here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we're unstoppable. Don't be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know. Here we come back to life, we're still breathing.
Hey, what is going on, Goblin Brigade? Thank you guys so much for stopping by the kitchen today. Thank you for clicking on this video. This is your recipe of the week from the Fire 13 cookbook. As if you couldn't tell, I have gotten me some new toys to play with, and I'm already getting better. I am upgrading my channel for you guys because this is what I love to do. Almost as much as I love losing weight, getting in shape, doing it the right way. So, if you love all these things too, and you want to learn how to get just a little bit healthier from the perspective of an actual obese person, then go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and dip that like button into some chocolate. Roll it around in some nuts, toss it in a blender, because today's recipe is going to be from the Iron Musket. It's going to be from the dessert menu of the Fire 13, the peanut butter, cookie dough, ice cream, blizzard. And if you look at this thing, y'all, the calories are 480, the fat is 20 grams, the carbs is 46, the fiber is 14, protein is 49.9. Try getting that at DQ. What I know! Come on now. But hey, we are going to make it anabolic here, so stick around and let's go talk about this Goblin Brigade.
Once I need you to start clean up here. Oh.
The Brownie Batter Blizzard at Dairy Queen. Gooey brownie batter, moist brownie seasoning.
Hey guys, you want to go to DQ? I'll buy you both a Blizzard.
Okay.
Start the car.
This is the best idea you ever had.
Yeah, I recorded a cheeseburger one for Dad.
It'll get you every time. The DQ Brownie Batter Blizzard. Now try our new Sweet Deals value menu.
Alright, Goblin Brigade, it is the moment of truth. We are about to try the Iron Muskets chocolate chip peanut butter cookie dough protein ice cream. One of the many recipes found in the Power 13 cookbook. Once again, I'll leave a link down in the description, but if you're ready, check this bad boy out right here. Let's see if you can, oh yeah. Now, can you believe in this whole entire bowl is only 489 calories, 50 grams of protein, y'all. Sorry if mine looks a little bit on the runny side because it took me longer than I anticipated setting up the film, but here we go, y'all. I've been looking forward to this. 3, 2, 1, cheers, y'all. Man, if you are having a chocolate peanut butter craving, this is it right here, y'all. This is freaking amazing. I got my water here. You can tell by how happy I am. Alright, Goblin Brigade, there you have it. That was my recipe of the week review for the Power 13 cookbook. I think the next one is also going to be one from the Iron Musket. I really like this guy. Y'all should go and check his channel out. I'm going to leave it down there in the description, along with a link for the Power 13 cookbook and for a Ninja Blender in case you guys don't already have one. I mean, come on now, what are y'all waiting on? That, my brigade, is true magic. I'm getting out of here. I'm going to finish this. I'm hungry and I can't wait any longer. So until next time, there you go.